Hey, what's up everybody? I wanted to show you this cool new feature we've added to the latest version of Cookbook. If you're looking at a recipe, you can see that you have the edit, delete, recipe, you have all these options. And as the way WordPress interprets it is that it's a shortcode, right? So the problem we were running into is if at any point you ever deactivated Cookbook, which we hope you don't, but if you ever did, if you did that, you would be left with a bunch of these shortcodes, which nobody really wants, and it doesn't actually save your recipes. So what we decided to do is create a cool fallback conversion method. So if I go into the plugins, actually before we do that, let's go ahead and we can preview what this, we can preview this recipe now. This is what it looks like. There's all all your times and everything you need there. Now if we go over here and go to our plugin screen and deactivate Cookbook, so it's turned off, no longer working at all anymore. In fact, let's go ahead and delete it entirely. Sure, no problem. When we go back to our post that had the recipe in it, we no longer have a shortcode. We've converted all of that into standard HTML that can live in your content forever. So if we update this post, and that's not a necessary step that happens automatically, but we can go through and look, and all of the times and ingredients and instructions and all that stuff is still here. All the data is still intact. No issues with anything, and it's living there forever. So we have fixed the problem with leaving a bunch of shortcodes in your content, and now even if you ever decide to move away from Cookbook, all your recipes and data are going to be totally intact.